What is up, guys? God bless you all. Welcome to another video. Today we're gonna try to make the B13 faster. So yeah, like you guys heard, we're working with the Nissan today. Not much today, but we just got a set of platinum spark plugs. We got the gapping tool or calibration tool, like I called a couple videos ago. Also, we got I believe it's a APSI wastegate spring, what we're gonna change today, and we're gonna work with that. I've been dealing the car for about a week since I put the new clutch. I still breaking in the clutch, but the car is hesitating with the tune, so I still working with that. Everything over here looks amazing. It's like no leaks at all, except on number 3, which that one is the grommet that I broke the last time. But yeah, I mean, everything is good. We have like no leaks. Everything is just nice. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start calibrating the spark plugs. I'm gonna show you how you get that done. I have one of the spark plugs over here, and to calibrate them or gap them is very easy. What you need to do, obviously, take it off from the box. And basically, the way you gap them, we have the gapping tool, which is over here. And basically what it tells you on how much it should be calibrated. So what you're gonna do, basically, depending on how much you want to calibrate them for, you're gonna just put the spark plug on the edge just like that, and then you're gonna move it until it stops where you need them. In my case, I'm just gonna gap them to 25, which is where I want it. I recommend you can do between 32 and 28 for like boost applications, and that's what I'm gonna do. So in my case, my gap is a little too big for what I'm trying to do. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna actually tap it just like that against the table, just to put it closer, and then just measure again, make sure it's stuck on 25. So make sure it closes a little bit, and then check again. Alright, and there you guys have it. That's how you actually, guys, calibrate a spark plug. We're gonna do the same thing to all 4. Make sure they are the same, and let's get them in the car. So I'm just gonna go ahead and remove the spark plugs now. Just gonna do a quick DIY how you do this, just in case you don't know how to do it. So for my car, which is the Nissan Sentra, you're gonna need a 5/8 socket. It's a 5/8 spark plug socket. Actually, this one has like a rubber thing inside which held the spark plug in place. So all you're gonna do is gonna remove all your spark plug wires, just like that, get everything out of the way. And what you're gonna do, you're gonna put your socket in with the extension and the ratchet, and then you're gonna loosen going to the left. So to the left, loosen. They shouldn't be too tight anyway. This one is covered with oil, of course. There you go. This one is the one that's still leaking, and the only ones. And then go to the 4th one, to the left. Jesus. After you loosen by hand, then you can actually loosen by hand all the way to the left until the whole thing gets screwed, and there you guys have it. So basically, because this one is a spark plug socket, what it does, it holds the spark plug in place, doesn't allow it to fall down. I mean, you can use like a regular socket, but if you don't have it, what you can do, you can use your same spark plug wire just to put it on and pull it out. So I'm just gonna go ahead and remove all 3 and and put the new ones back, which I have them right there. So let me put the new ones and I'll see you in a second. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put the new spark plugs. I've removed all the old ones. So what you do, because you have the special socket, put it in like that. It shouldn't fall because that's why the special socket. Put it on and then just tie it by hand all the way in. After you do that, what you do to the right, just tie it until it gets a little hotter, but do never over tie them. And when it gets hard a little bit, yep, that's it, no more. And just gonna go ahead and do that to all fours and put the wires back. All the spark plugs are in. I did put a little bit of silicone by the grommet a little bit, just to see if that helps me with the oil leak. Honestly, I think it won't, but doesn't hurt to try. Now I'm just gonna get ready to swap the wastegate spring, which is guy goes in here, and all I have to do is gonna be remove this ball over here, and everything just come up and replace it. So let's do that right now. Slowly, and when you're gonna do as a safety, you're gonna hold it, because when this thing gets loose, it might hit in your face, so you have to be very careful. So out with the old one, in with the new one. Manny bro, I need you. Thank you. We got the new wastegate spring on. We took out the old one, which is the 5 psi. Got the new spark plugs on. So now we're gonna turn on the car and mess with the tune. So just gonna take a look quick. I have the gauges, and I want to take a look because last time wasn't boosting the way it should. Check the fuel map. I'm just gonna wait for the car to warm up and take it for a spin and see. Step out, was working with the tune. The car is running a lot better. So let's go for a ride. So yeah, there you guys have it. The Nissan is actually working. It's actually running a lot better. Unfortunately, the new wastegate spring was a fail because the car is still hitting 5 psi. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna try to probably maybe put both together to see if that helps me to hold boost longer. Besides that, I mean, I'm still working with the tune, and the car is still pushing the 5 pounds hard, and it's still going a little too rich. So I mean, it's everything adjustment. Right now I'm just like looking at the numbers over here on the computer, and I'm just trying to dial a little by little. I mean, it's a process. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. You guys have a nice day, and I'll see you on the next one.